My school decided to take part because we thought it was an exciting project.
Wrth ymwneud â phrosiectau creadigol, ni wedi gweld yn glir bod y math yma o addysgu yn cael effaith gadarnhaol iawn ar y disgyblion.
We want to make sure that our children really believe how beautiful they are and the community that they live in.
Ni wedi gweld cynnydd yn I lefelau presenoldeb nhw, ymddygiad llawer iawn yn well wrth i'r disgyblion weithio'n annibynnol mewn grwpiau bychan gyda'r athro. Mae wedi cael effaith gadarnhaol tu hwnt a allai dim ond pwysleisio mae bethau cadarnhaol sydd wedi dod o'r prosiect yma lle mae'r disgyblion yn y cwestiwn.
It's had a huge impact on our learners. At the beginning of the project, we asked the children whether they identified as Welsh. Lots of them said no. Towards the end of the project, not only had they explored their own belonging and who they are as individuals, but they kind of came around full circle and were beginning to identify as Welsh and other.
I think it's made me really think about how we deliver curriculum in Wales. The need to embrace everybody within our classrooms, that we have this shared culture. We live in Wales and many of us were born here, but many of us come to Wales and the communities we live in through other different routes. And so I think that sense of belonging and what makes us and joins us in communities is essential.
Mae ddylfryd o weithio'n gydweithredol yn rhyngddisgyblaethol yn allweddol I ddatblygiad y cwricwlwm, cynnig ystod eang o brofiadau i'r disgyblion sydd yn gwireddu gofynion ac amcanion y cwricwlwm I Gymru.
It's had not only a fantastic learning impact, but a huge well-being impact. And through that we've had a lot of parental engagement. So not only is it kind of micro, it's macro in the community with our families as well. As a teacher, I have kind of had my horizons broadened by being introduced to the creative habits of mind. It's a fantastic way to deliver the new curriculum in a really creative medium.
And really expressive arts is the means to do that, and it just lends itself seamlessly so that children can develop themselves, their skills, and really think about their families and what brings us together. If something doesn't go quite right, it's not a failure. Actually, we learn a lot more from that than those times when everything goes swimmingly. So for me, expressive arts, the new curriculum really is a bit revolutionary, and it's amazing to be part of it.